7:55. I'm really late for work. I'm just leaving home, so I'm gonna have to rush and go to work. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, so I am back home. I did not vlog at all today at work. It was we had exams invigilation. That was about it. Nothing else for the day, just invigilate exam, had lunch, and then stayed some more exam papers. That was it. But my hair looks horrible right now, so for the evening I have my hair to pull out, so I'm gonna pull this out, have it washed, and then I have some cleaning to do, and then I have some videos to set up. So I am done pulling out my hair. Now it's time for me to go and wash it. Guys, so I still have not gotten around to even wash my hairs yet, but that will be washed soon. And right now I'm packing, trying to pack some things here to this bag here, because I gotta get out of this place on Wednesday. Surprise!
Oh my God! Happy birthday!
I don't want nobody to talk to. So she attack to. Why she forget talk to?
I say, you know, I did not hear it really.
Hi. How are you? How do you feel?
Surprised.
Aww.
We hope that as we celebrate with her, that we will have a wonderful time with the Lord as we give thanks for her life.
I would like to wish my sister, my role model, my best friend, my everything, a happy birthday, and I wish you will live to see many more, and I love you.
Aww. Happy birthday, Shani. You have always been there for me through good times and through bad times. You have always put a smile on my face, and I wish you a happy birthday.
Aww.
Yes. This is my other sister from another mother. I'd like to wish you a happy birthday. Where do I start? From when we were very little growing up.
You're right.
Yes. Well, I just want to say you have made a great impact on my life, and I'm happy you're here. And I wish you all the goodness in life. Love you. Well, hi, Shani. Hi. How are you? I'm fine.
Okay. Just need to say, Jesus sent it to us. We love you from the start. You are just a little bundle. God sent you just that way. That's why He made you special. You're the only one of your kind. God gave you a body and the bright elements. He had a special purpose that He wanted you to find. So He made you something special. You're the only one of your kind.
So at the count of 3, so help us count. 1, 2, 2.5, 3. Woo! Alright, happy birthday. After 2, 1, 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shani. Happy birthday to you. Hey guys, so it is December 6th and I have been really busy. My hair is a mess, so I might just keep the camera here. Yeah, anyways, my hair is a mess, but we're currently moving out. If you can see, the bed is all packed up and all that. Later, I'll update you guys when we get there. We're packing, finish packing and whatever. Bye. What's up guys, so I am currently about to go to bed. I am so tired. I know I haven't vlogged basically all day, but it's been a very busy time. As I said, they're working on the house and we had to move, so yep. But I hope that the other vlogs will get better, bigger, better, and more fun. I don't know. I just hope. This lighting is terrible. So I'm gonna just wash my face and brush my teeth and so I can go to bed. So I'm gonna end the vlog here and I'm gonna tell you guys bye. Bye!
Merry Christmas, here I am, boy. Gonna love you, gonna give you all I can, boy.